So, after 3 months of waiting and waiting and waiting, it is here. The GPR exhaust. At first I was going to buy the SC Project, but I decided to go with GPR because I want to keep the stealth look. So, let's open it up. Let's see. I've already done a few things, such as remove any labelling that shows my name. Instructions, we'll get to those later. Charming. I used just a 3mm metric drill bit. I don't know if the camera's going to focus on it. There you go. And did it on the end, and I was right. It's very, very, well, you can see that's the mid pipe. That's in the right spot. I didn't cut the baffle, it actually slid out in 2 pieces, but this is what the problem is. Look at this. Look, let me just, oh, one of the kids is crying. Look how that's bashed in. That is ridiculous. If I sit this here, I should be able to see. There you go, look at that. That's disgusting, isn't it? So, I'm going to bend it back, see if I can fix GPR's mistake. And I mean, it's pretty haggard anyway. Look the way it's wrapped up. Not happy at all. I should have gone with SC Project. I really should have. Okay, so I just used some pliers just to bend it back, and I used a micrometer to make sure that it's in the right distance. That should be about right. It's a little bit catawampus over this side. I'm probably never going to get it right. As you can see, it's a bit over, and it's always going to be a bit damaged on that side because that's just how they did it. So we'll see how we go. It's never going to be perfect again because it was never perfect to begin with, but I think I got it good enough. I have been using these pop rivets. I have done that side, and now there is only one left, so it's pretty easy. Put the pop rivet in. Here's the pop rivet gun. I'm not putting much weight on the exhaust, it's only just so I can keep the pop rivet still. Aha! We are done. Okay, so it's all been pop riveted now. If it wants to focus, much better. A little bit of a gap. And there is some damage I can see on camera there that you can't see in person, but good. Fixed. This is the stock exhaust. It's a cannon. It's an absolute cannon. Just to show you how big this exhaust is, I've already removed a few bits and pieces. Okay, here we go. Stock exhaust has a weight of 9.5 kilos. Let's reset that. .3 kilos for aftermarket. So that's a saving of 7.2 kilograms. That's heaps. That thing is a tank. The installation for this exhaust is pretty easy, considering it already has the tongues. Just sort of line them up there. Come down to the bottom. This is probably one of the most annoying and time consuming tail light bits and pieces I've done on any bike. Oh, look at that. I just fluked it first go. Okay, testing. We have my GoPro mic hooked up correctly, hopefully. This is the GPR Ghost exhaust for an Aprilia Dorsoduro. It's pretty awesome. It's loud, and I like the stealth look.